In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status on Slack. By the end, you'll know how to view your current status, clear it in a couple of different places, set a new one with a timer, manage notification behavior while a status is active, and adjust status suggestions for your workspace. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, open any conversation. I'm using a sample conversation just to get us into the main workspace view where everything we need is available. From here, we'll pull up the member list so we can quickly check our own profile details. Open the Members panel, then select your own name from the list. This is a handy way to see your profile card and confirm what status is currently visible to others. On that profile card, you may see a status like vacationing. Click that status. Slack will open the status picker where you can view or change what's set. You'll also see presence information such as active, notifications snoozed. Go ahead and click that presence line as well so you understand how it ties to your current alerts. Presence tells people if you're actively online, while status is the custom note and emoji that explains what you're doing. If you need to wipe your slate clean, choose Clear Status. This removes the text and emoji you've set, so your profile is no longer showing that note. When you're done with this panel, close it with the small X in the corner to return to your workspace view. Now let's look at the account menu in the lower left corner of Slack. Click your account there to open a quick set of controls. You'll see an option to clear status. Choose that to ensure you're starting fresh. In the same menu, you'll likely see suggested statuses such as vacationing. Click that suggestion to quickly apply it, which is great when you want a fast, consistent message. If you decide you don't want any of those active or queued items, choose Clear All. That's a thorough reset that removes the currently active status and any related quick pick entries you might have just set. Next, click into the What's Your Status field. This is the main place for composing a new note. To demonstrate, pick the In a Meeting suggestion. Slack will ask how long you want it to last. Choose 1 hour and confirm the duration so it counts down automatically. This way, you don't have to remember to clear your status later. Slack will do it for you. While you're here, you can also manage how notifications behave alongside your status. You'll see options to pause notifications for everyone, which snoozes alerts across the board, or pause for everyone except VIPs, which lets priority contacts still reach you. Choose the one that fits your work style. For example, during a critical meeting, pausing for everyone keeps you focused. During heads down work, allowing VIPs through can be a smart compromise. If you want to tailor the default status ideas your team sees, open the editor for status suggestions for your workspace. This is where admins or authorized users can refine common options to match team norms. Inside that editor, you'll notice both cancel and save. Selecting cancel simply closes the editor without keeping any changes, which is helpful if you're just reviewing the list. When you're confident in the updates, choose Save to apply them so they appear for teammates the next time they set a status. That's the full tour. You learned how to check your current status from your profile card, clear it from both the status panel and the account menu, set a new one with a 1-hour timer using In a Meeting, and control notifications while your status is active, either pausing them entirely or allowing VIPs through. You also saw where to review or update the workspace's default status suggestions, using Cancel to discard and Save to confirm. With these tools, you can clearly communicate your availability in Slack and keep your focus exactly where it needs to be.